What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to part 2, which is supposed to be part 4 of the KDX build. So, it seems I've become an expert of losing footage, and all the footage of us pulling off the plastics off Louis' KDX 250 and fitting them on the KDX 200 and fitting them on the 250 is gone, and some of the progress that I've made on the 250 is also gone. So, unfortunately, I don't know what happened, but the show has to go on. So I hope you enjoy this episode and stay tuned. Alright, so just to quickly jump into what I've done in the previous episodes that we lost. So as you guys can see, I have pulled off all the electronics and I started tearing into the bike a little bit more. So I've got some of the controls off, started cleaning up the bars, and today's objective is going to be to try and pull off the forks, the triple clamps, and the swing arm rear shock. And unfortunately I only have limited time every day to work on the bike, because I work on the bike after hours, after I get home from work. So one thing, the reason why the KDX 200 plastics didn't fit, so the mounting point for the rear number plates is a bit further away from each other than on the 200, and the diameter of the tubing on the KDX 250 frame is a bit wider than that of the 200, so the tank physically can't fit in between the frame rails. Other than that, everything on the swing arms is compatible, so I can get a new chain guide, the sprocket cover over here fits, and let's see on the other side, I think like the little caliper cover fits. And then obviously the brake lever and the gear lever fits. Alright, so before I jump into the work, I quickly want to show you guys what tools you're going to need to pull off everything that I'm going to pull off today. So, I've got a breaker bar, a size 14 wrench, a size 17 wrench, Allen key, don't know what size it is, couple of Allen head attachments, pliers, a little screwdriver with the adapter for the Allen heads, a small wrench. Then we've got a size 12 socket, size 14, size 17, size 19, and a size 27. I think from what I've quickly checked on the bike, that should be all that I need, but as we go through it, if there's something else, then I'll just let you guys know. Alright. Alright, so now that we've got the wheels off, it's going to be time to start with the forks. Strip that off, strip off the triple clamps, and then start with the swing arm. Alright, so the GoPro's battery went flat, so I quickly put you guys on charge, but obviously you won't even know. So I've torn down the bike a little bit more just to get a little bit of ease of access to the swing arm. So I pulled out the airbox and I pulled off the rear brake assembly, and that's about it. So now we are gonna jump into removing the handlebars, the triple clamps. I think the swing arm is gonna be the most challenging, so I'm just gonna leave that for the last part. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys down here.
I had a dream you died last night. I woke up mouthing things I should have said, but I slept on those words instead. You haunt the stairways in my head. You're the monster under my bed. Reach for me when I repent, and I should have learned. I should have learned. You're the monster under my bed, making mess I keep trying to address. Cannot come to terms with the monster under my bed.
The bike is now coming apart fairly quickly. Last thing for today is the rear swing arm, and that's pretty awesome.
I told you secrets I should have kept. You spill them up as I collect, but I fall for it half a million times, like a bad old house, just one peek inside. You're the mystery with hell of a history. My hands are red. You're the monster under my bed. Reach for me when I repent, and I should have learned. I should have learned. You're the monster under my bed, making mess I keep trying to address. Cannot come to terms with the monster under my bed. Yeah, I should have learned. I should have
Alright, so we got everything off. We got the swing arm and linkages off. Unfortunately, I forgot to switch on the camera and film again. But hey, I guess if you get occupied, you forget sometimes. So, yeah, still leaking a bit of fluid there. In the next video, we are going to be pulling off the header, the radiators, the carb, and then it's time to pull out the motor. And then after that, I suppose it's time to start cleaning and paint prepping. Alright, so that's it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and remember to hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and follow Mud and Dust Media on Facebook for some behind the scenes footage. Alright, that's it. Peace out.